How to fix Capital One Bank app not working. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to fix the Capital One app not working. Now, let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and make sure you are using the latest version of the application. To check, open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Capital One. Make sure the app is updated to its latest version for the app to function smoothly. Mine is showing open here, which means the app is up to date. If not, it would show update instead of open. See if the issue is fixed or not. If not, launch the settings application on your device. Now tap on General and then on iPhone Storage. Here, scroll down and find the Capital One application and tap on it. Now, tap on the Offload App option and offload the app and reinstall the app again, as doing this will clear the cache in the application. Doing this will also free up storage used by the app and will further fix the bugs in the app. And if your issue is still not fixed, try to delete the app and reinstall the app again. To delete, go to your home screen and hold on the Capital One application. You will see the Remove App option, tap on that and then tap on the Delete App option. In the pop-up that appears, tap on Delete again and then go ahead and open App Store and tap on the search bar and search for Capital One application and reinstall the application again. Now, wait for the download to complete. Once completed, open the application and use the application further, and your Capital One application should be working just fine by now. So, this is how you can fix Capital One Bank app not working. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.